Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2022 350 Realm. What a fantastic boat this is. It does everything very, very well. The Apico blue color is just gorgeous out on the water. It's got the dive door on it, which I'll talk about a little bit more when we get inside. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 Realm. Let's start at the back of the boat. You've got the Mercury triple 300s, incredible motors. They're really fast, great hole shot, great top end on it, extremely quiet, very little vibration. You absolutely love them. If you're going for a ride, you're going to a restaurant type of thing, this folds down. You get 3 adults very comfortable right here. And then if you're going to fish, it folds back up. You get a real nice comfortable leaning post. You have a live well conveniently located right here at the back of the boat. And as we move over to the dive door, it does three things very nicely. It's the safest way to get on the boat. So you got a floating dock, it butts right up, you just step right straight on, very, very safe. Also the dive ladder, which is located under the seat, is a 4-step dive ladder. It's very safe. You got a handle to pull yourself in the boat. Great safe way to get on and off the boat from the water. Then the last thing, if you are fishing, you've got, instead of bringing the fish over the gunnel, where a lot of times you lose the fish bringing them over the gunnel, he's half in the water, you just slide it right in the fish box, and then you take the hook out. It's nice, neat, and clean, and you're done. We've got the seat that faces to the rear. So 2 adults very comfortable here, 3 adults comfortable here. You got a really nice sturdy table in the back, so sitting here having drinks and cocktails is very comfortable in the back for 3 adults sitting comfortably. You've got a large refrigerator that's you can ice it down also, but it's a refrigerator and it'll keep your drinks cold and also keeps your food cold as well. So and it's huge. You've got a refrigerator with a small freezer which holds a half a bag of ice for cocktails. If you like them in your martinis, keeps a nice clean ice. And then if you catch some fish on your, you've got the grill conveniently located at the back of the boat. It's a phenomenal electronic grill, so it's really a nice setup all the way around. So let's move into the helm area. I'm going to take the back, put this down. So now we have the same seat, but the 2 adults can sit facing this way. You take the helm seat, you slide it around, and now you've got 2 facing this way. You've got a nice table that comes right in here. You've got 2 AC vents that keeps you nice and cool while you're sitting there having your drinks and cocktails and little appetizers. And as we move it back to the helm area, you'll see it set up very, very nicely. We've got tremendous sound system on this boat. As you can see, the speakers are everywhere, so it's top notch on the sound system. You got a little cooler in here so you can keep drinks cold and it's self-draining for the captain. And then it's set up with 2 good-sized Raymarines, and so plenty. You can double up, you can split them. You've got auto trim tabs on it, and then you've got the digital throttle and shift, and then you got the joystick. I can move this boat any direction I want to, sideways, you name it. I can pull it into any slip anytime. Also has sky hook, so if you're waiting for a slip assignment, if you're waiting even just the sunset, you point the bow at the sunset, you hit the sky hook, you can take your drinks right up to the bow and comfortably enjoy the sunset. And then when you're all done, you don't have to put the anchor up or any of that stuff. I come back, just shut it off. It's a perfect way to see a sunset. Now down in the cabin area, so it's set up for sitting right now, and you've got a TV, so if the kids want to come down and watch their video games and that type of stuff, it does that very well. These slide over and make a bed, so you can sleep 2 adults very comfortably in this area here. You've got a nice lounger right here if you just want to lounge. And then we've got the head. So the head is set up really nicely. You've got the vacuum flush head. You've got a teak seat that folds down. So if you want to, in the shower, sometimes you want to sit. It folds down nicely. You've got a really nice shower with a pull-out sprayer. So the shower is a stand-up. It's real nice. And let's hop up to the bow and check that out. Okay, as we move to the bow, you're going to notice the gunnel is very high and it's very wide. So as you see the gunnel all the way around, if you needed to walk on the gunnel, it's all non-skid up here. It's very safe. And then you get a really nice lounger. So with the armrest down, you can put 3 adults really comfortably. And if you put the armrest up, you can put 4 adults very comfortably. But really very comfortable place to ride on the boat. The table goes up and down, so you've got real teak table. It's beautiful. And then you got a remote control switch that'll lower it down and make this one big sun pad. So it's really, it's just a great setup in the front. And you've got a spotlight on the top. You've got a Sirius, you've got the night vision on there. And then you've got the stand-up. You've got the windlasses in the front, so a really nice platform if you do like to fish off the bow. Plenty of room safely to stand on the bow, and again, you can walk along the edges. So it does everything very, very well. If you'd like to see it or have any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.